Welcome back to another exciting episode of Get Mobile with Coco, where each week, Coco explores the CareCredit Mobile App while on her many adventures. In this episode, we'll get to hear from some cardholders who love the CareCredit app almost as much as Coco loves snacks. Right, Coco? Nice catch, Coco. Now, if you'll just
turn your attention to the giant screens.
I love the CareCredit Mobile App. I'm a senior. Anything that's easy for me is what really works for me.
I use the CareCredit Mobile App to mainly pay my bills.
It literally tells you everything. Like today, it reminded me, hey, you have a payment due and a promotion that's ending. So click and pay.
You can make sure that you know your balance and you see when your payments are due at the palm of your hand.
I can find doctors locally or anywhere that I'm traveling. All I have to do is type in the zip code and press search.
Because I've had multiple procedures, I can check for when each are due and I can pay them off with ease.
Well, that wraps it up. Keep your eyes peeled for more tips and tricks. And remember, for your health and wellness needs and so much more, there's CareCredit for that. Thanks for joining us on this exciting episode of Get Mobile with Coco.